Hello friends, I Srivardhan welcome you. You can visit our website missiontathastu.com for any sort of queries or information or consultation queries etc. In this video we shall be discussing about an important aspect, that is Venus mount. Generally people overlook it and just associate it with sexual aspect of your life as well as relationship aspect of life, but in reality Venus is far beyond than that. Okay, so let's get started with this with our video. In our hand, if we'll see, the area just under your thumb is known as Venus mount. Okay, this area. So a Venus mount should be fluffy. Okay, it should be strong in a hand. There are one or two things that you can check to know its development, like if you do your hand like this, you will put your hand like this in front of you, you will find this area little protruded. Okay, so this shows the Venus mount is developed. Okay, second is the curve of the lifeline. If you'll see in my hand, the curve is not proper. If the curve is proper in somebody's hand and the mount is protruded or fluffy, so it is said to be a developed Venus mount. Okay, so if this Venus mount is developed, it gives you a lot of qualities. Number one, obviously, yes, it is good for your relationship aspect of your life, but there are other qualities also. Now, if a person comes to you and who is having a very developed Venus mount, now the second thing what you have to check in his hand is his Jupiter mount, which is under the index finger. Okay, right here. If both the mounts are developed, this is the best scenario. The person is having a very balanced approach, having a very good moral character and an intelligent person, because he is getting the best of the both worlds. If you go into the Hindu mythology, the Jupiter, the guru, is said to be the teacher of the Devtas or the good angels, okay, in Hindu mythology. And if we see the Venus mount, it is said to be a guru of Asur. Asur means demons. Okay, so these both guru, that is Jupiter, and the Venus, that is Shukra, are the teachers of different communities, okay, in Hindu mythology, and having equal power, equal caliber to give you all the whatever you have desired in your life in different forms. So if the person is having both the Jupiter mount as well as Venus mount, both developed in his or her hand, then definitely you will get the best of both the worlds. Okay, so now we come to this Venus mount as our video goes. There are certain signs on Venus mount, okay, which you need to analyze. First, as I said, the development of the Venus mount. What if it is underdeveloped? What if it is flat? Okay, then the person's life is very regretful. The person doesn't take decision on time. He is unable to perform certain job, and rather, he or she will regret throughout his life that they have missed certain opportunity in their life. So it is very important to understand that if Venus mount is flat, or there is, the curve of the line is also not there, lifeline is also not there, so that means the Venus mount is not developed. So that sort of person does have a lot of regrets in their life. If you sit, if you talk, they will always talk about their regrets in life. Okay, so it is very important to understand that. Okay, what if a Venus mount has a black spot or a till? This is also not good. It is not at all good for the health of the person, especially related to sexual organs, and there could be a problem in relationship also. There could be a chance of divorce. So this indication is very important to understand that if there is a black spot anywhere on the Venus mount, it is not at all favorable. Okay, now we come to these horizontal lines. Okay, these horizontal lines are also known as Rahu Rekhas, and if they cross lifeline like this, the period at which they are crossing the lifeline, the person suffer from court case, mental tension, health problem, as related to, it is also called Rahu Rekha. So Rahu is always related to the mind of the person. So there could be a lot of tension in his or her mind throughout the life. So you need to understand that horizontal lines are not at all favorable. So we have discussed about the developed Venus mount when it is flat, then the Rahu Rekhas, then the black spot, now the vertical lines. You will see certain hands, they are full of these vertical lines. Okay, vertical lines are good, okay, but there is a very particular aspect of it, that the person is always worried about the happiness or how he or she is performing with her partner in relationship or in marriage. So it is an unending process. Whatever he or she does, it will be only related to the happiness of his or her partner. For partner, it is very good. But what if the partner is having a materialistic approach in his life? So that way, this sort of person will always remain unhappy or dissatisfied in regard to relationship, because he will always think that he is unable to give the required happiness or required love to his or her partner. So this is good when the partner is also having a balanced approach. But what if the partner is not having a balanced approach and he's always in a demanding mode? So this is very very dangerous for a relationship of a person or for marriage purpose. These lines are very dangerous. It has to be combined or calculated along with the partner's hand. If you have to do the marriage matching sort of thing. So these lines are very important in that aspect. Okay. Now comes the grill. If there is grill, see, grill on any mount is not good, is not at all good, and it can lead to different sort of mental tensions and mental agony throughout the life. So this grill is not good at all. Triangle is good, but it is said to be a person will get involved in certain type of litigation or legal issues. So if there is a triangle, it is overall a good sign for his or her growth in aspect of money, relationship and other aspect, but he or she might suffer for certain type of legal problems or legal tangles. Okay, now one more thing. If you will see certain hands, you will see blue veins which are very visible. Okay, if you will see very minutely anybody's hand, these blue veins are visible, but in certain cases they are very much visible from a distance, or you will find it very easily. You can observe those blue veins coming on this area. So it is related in ladies, it is related to any sort of gynecology problem, and in men it is related to any type of sexual problem. So which is and other related any grave disease. So it is not at all a good sign if you are able to see blue veins. If a person if showing your hand like this and the blue veins are very much visible over there, then the problem is very much serious and grave in related to their health, sexual strength, and in case of ladies it could be a gynecology problem. So it needs to be taken care of, and you must warn these people that certain type of health problem is coming over. So it is very much very strong sign and very particular sign regarding to health. Okay, blue veins, right? So we have discussed so far so many conditions and so many signs. If something is missing, I shall be covering it on our coming videos, and you can also comment and I'll make the video accordingly. And thanks for watching my video. I hope you will like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.